vlog. This is a day that I've been looking forward to the past few months. If you don't know what I mean is we are finally in a train which is called the Mariyung. So we finally get a tray cable. If you don't know what this is, I'm having some hot chocolate. Okay, so that's done. This is actually a pre-geasing seat. So we got a individual power socket. I may not show it to you because there's bags blocking it, but anyways, let's run through the features of this train. Let's run through the train features and what's in this train, because some of you might be watching this overseas. Can I go? Yeah, I went. Yeah. Okay. So. This train is very nice. You got a door here with handle. You got a quarter toilet, 3/4 toilet, and you got a screen here. And this has the Intecity trains network line. And this train tells you all about the Aboriginal and Ku-ring-gai people. This video acknowledges the Aboriginal and Ku-ring-gai people and people who cared for the land before us. So, whoa. You got a giant camera over here. You got door opener, 3/4 toilet. So let's have a look at the toilet. Okay.
The toilet door is locked.
Whoa, that was really loud. So, hello, I'm recording on a DJI Osmo Pocket 3. You got sink, toilet, SOS help point, emergency help point, and smoke detectors fitted. You got baby change. Unfortunately, I'm not allowed to do that. The cap says do not drink. So, and it shows you like where the dryer is.
This train will stop at Strathfield.
And we are now arriving at Strathfield. So this is a bin for needles, which I had never seen in a train. Whoa, the train is shaking. Anyways, let's get out of this. Whoa. Yep. Whoa, this train is fast. Look how fast the train is going. Toilet and baby changing facilities. When was the... So this is like the Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander story. This is how the train started. New South Wales Transport. This is actually a pretty nice train, I gotta say. This is not a quiet carriage, because why else would I be talking? This toilet is men's and women's, disabled, and has baby facilities, and it shows you the times. So if you wanted to go to Newcastle Interchange, you'll be arriving there at 6:55. Alright, next stop is Stratfield. Like here for other train services and Intecity and regional services to Central and stuff like that. Whoa, you got a 50-meter pool. I don't know whether you guys can see it, but that was like a giant pool. And I would said that this train will stop at Stratfield. I don't know whether we officially departed from Stratfield or not. But anyways, this is my face right now. I'm actually quite impressed with this train. So I've been wanting to go on this train for like a long time, and we finally did it. So I want to say thank you to you guys so much for making my dreams and supporting me, and I can't just thank you all. If you enjoy videos like these, please leave a like and follow or subscribe for more. Whoa, Jesus. That train was just roaring through. Let's see what time we'll be arriving at. Okay, we are passing Berwick Station. We're not going to be stopping here because this is an intercity train, or aka a fast train, as some people may call it. Sorry if my voice was too loud just then. And when we'll be arriving at Hornsby, dude, I want to arrive at Hornsby. Okay, so it shows you the time, shows you what car number you're in, and shows you the next stop. And it tells you to exit for other trains, no buses. I know why. Now there's also seats availability.
The next stop is Stratfield.
Are we arriving at Stratfield? We are currently arriving at Stratfield, I think. Then after Stratfield, oh God, when are we gonna arrive at Stratfield? So you can see a Waratah is there. It looks empty.
This stop is Stratfield. Use doors on the left in the direction of travel.
So we're going to be arriving on the left. This is Stratfield Station, everyone. I'll make sure not to film anyone. Let's just leave. So that's Stratfield Station. So that's basically Stratfield Station. Whoa. So I'll show you the seat features. You got a tray table, very sleek and clean. You can move it back and forth but can't fold it in half. You got a drink cup holder, very 5-star thing to do. I don't know whether you can change the seats, hopefully not, because there's just a passenger waiting. Legroom is actually pretty good. look how much legroom there is. So there's like a lot of legroom. You can even stretch out your feet or something. My Space Cook watch I showed you guys in the last video, and we got a universal power socket. I just don't know. Here's the individual power socket. So that's pretty much it. Yeah, that's pretty much the seat features. There are sometimes luggage racks. Hot chocolate. So I put some hot chocolate here.
Yes. Yep. That's right.
So
Yeah, that's right. Like over 2 weeks.
we'll do a case cask. We are still in Stratfield.
Yes. Yeah. It's time. It's time. Yeah. Yeah. So
This is like one of the best hot chocolate I've ever had. Starbucks, you're going in retirement, I'm sorry. This is like the best hot chocolate I've ever had. Oops. There's a call.
Oh, hi, Matthew.
So, yeah, you pretty much got the seat. You can't really like adjust it or anything, I don't think. But overall, this train is like, wow. It's like, stop, this is too much. You got grapple hook for elderly people. Still got the tray cable because I need my hot chocolate, or should I say coffee.
Just I think they have a 2-week cycle, but I don't think there's overall like delays that way. Like sometimes it just to go around, like repairs and things like that. So we invoice it, but then there are like repair units which have come back and also.
We are officially departing. Finally, I think that was a red light signal.
No.
Let's go through some more. Let's
No,
go
of
some
course
more
not.
features of the train.
No.
Keep it on
Yeah.
here. Adjust this.
Yeah.
There's no seat pocket,
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
so I thought there was. Yeah, there is someone sitting there. I thought there was no one sitting there, but anyway, that trip is cancelled. So yeah.
This is a Central Coast and Newcastle line service to Newcastle Interchange, stopping at Epping, Hornsby, Woy Woy, Gosford, Tangara, Wyong, Warnervale, Waee, Morisset, Fassifern, Cardiff, Broadmeadow, Hamilton, Newcastle Interchange.
We'll be stopping at Hornsby Station because we'll be going off at Hornsby Station. Then after Hornsby Station, we got another feature. We got a seat hook, which you can hang your earpods, not AirPods, maybe headphones. This is really nice. But I think that's the end for today. So that's what we have for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you leave a big thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!